Why the Italian Golden Visa is the best option, your best residency option for your Plan B in 2025. This is Marco Bersani-Solbris from the Bersani Law Office from Italy, an Italian immigration law firm with more than 10 years of expertise on Italian immigration law. And today we want to talk a little bit, not just about the Italian Golden Visa and how it works, how the process is, but we want to explain you why today is the best option. So do not lose any more time and let's start. So let's assume that you are thinking about it. You want to have a plan B just because you never know. So geopolitical situation are changing the world so quickly and you never know. Maybe you need to leave your country, or simply you want to seek for more business opportunities. You are an entrepreneur, a businessman, businesswoman, so you want to seek new business opportunity, or simply you have some family members and you want your children to have some new opportunities in other countries. In Europe, they want to study in Italy or they want to work in Europe. You never know. So whatever are the reason, you are looking for another plan B, actually for your close future or a long-term future, for sure, 100%, the Golden Visa for Italy is right now the best option. As I said, geopolitical situations are changing the world so quickly, and also in Europe, until now, actually, the most trending and most famous programs like the Golden Visas in Spain, in Greece, in Malta, or in Portugal, or whatever, are not just the only option you have. And at the same time, those programs are changing. For example, Spain is moving to close the program. The other program are increasing the capital you need to invest. So having access to those programs are now pretty challenging. Right now, Italy for sure is now the best option. It's many years we are talking about it because we were one of the first law firms in Italy to talk and to help people about the application for the Italian Golden Visa, the so-called Investor Visa for Italy program. So we totally recommend right now to also consider the option, because what is also very important when you make an evaluation on your future. So let's assume you want to move, you want to set a step in Europe. What is important is not just thinking about the visa, the requirements of the Golden Visa, the process and all the legal requirements, but then you need to think about your future. And so the main question is, how will I live in that country? Because beside the fact that you can have a visa, then you have to think that you want to live there long term. You need to think about the country itself. How is the welfare? How is the healthcare in that country? Is it good? Is it bad? One thing, of course, you need to think about it. Italy, of course, is well known and worldwide recognized as a really excellent country for the lifestyle, the welfare, for all the coverage you can have from the government as a resident. So you don't need to be a citizen, but as a resident, actually. The healthcare is an excellence, worldwide recognized as an excellence. So the educational system, for example, for West children want to go to school or universities. So this is what we always said to all clients. It's very important to not think about the visa, because it doesn't make sense to apply for a Golden Visa. That's such promising. Wow, it's so cheap. The Golden Visa is so cheap. And then you go in a country where the healthcare is bad. So you cannot live actually. I mean, you have to be scared to go to the hospital. So what is really important to also, this is one of the main questions you need to ask yourself. So why I need to choose this program, this Golden Visa, not that one? The Italian Golden Visa will give you access to residency in Italy, having access to a long-term residency, because with the Golden Visa you have a 2 years visa, so 2 years right of residency that you can renew for 3 years, long-term for you and for your family members, so your spouse and your minor children. It's very important to evaluate this option for sure. Also for the investment option, because the Golden Visa is a residency by investment option, so you can have a right of residency thanks to an investment that you can do in a country. There are 4 investment options right now, like investing, the minimum is an investment in 250,000 euros into an innovative startup, or you can invest 500,000 euros in an Italian company, which is right now the most chosen investment option, actually. So there are different investment options you can choose from, depending on your financial means, depending on your net worth. So this is something, of course, we need to also evaluate together And that's why we also recommend, if you're thinking about it, if you have a question, something want you ask, to book a consultation call with us so we can have a face-to-face conversation about you, about your need, about your goal, what you want in the future. So we can help you step by step to choose the best strategy for your plan B, for your relocation to Italy, and of course, a relocation to Italy. Of course, if you have some general question, you can also leave some comments below in the YouTube channel. Of course, we cannot provide consultation here, but to respond to your really general question to you. And of course, it's also important to subscribe to the channel and follow the channel, because it helps us and it helps also you, because as soon as you we will post some videos, some news, something you need to know, you will immediately receive a notification on your phone, on your computer, so you will be updated as soon as we post something on the channel. Thank you so much as always for your time, and see you on next videos.